Okay, so this is a presentation video that I just created using the HeyGen AI. So basically, this video was based on this PDF document, and as you can see, there are some visual content like images, and these images are also included into the video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF document into a presentation video just like this one using the HeyGen AI. So first, let's navigate to HeyGen.ai, and you can HeyGen.com, and you can log in with your account and then click create video and navigate PDF to video. And after that, you can drag and drop, or you can click this upload button and select the PDF file into this area. So right now it is in beta. It is not actually going to be creating a very complex video. It is only good for creating a simple presentation video that might be useful within your organization. Now, I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so basically these are just some settings that are generated based on the content of the document. You can select the avatar. You can also select your own avatars if you have any on your account. But in this case, I'm going to be using just the default setting. And you can also select the template for the video. Right now, this option is very lacking. There are only 3 options, but that's okay for now. You can select the output language to be whatever language that you want. And for the video length, I will try using 1 to 3 minutes. So here there is the speaker, objective, audience, and tone. So these are basically just some settings that you could describe to AI about what the tone should be used, what is the perspective, the name of the narrator, etc. So in this case, I'm going to be using the default setting, and after that, I'm going to click generate. And it will start generating some overview or plans that later can be converted into a video. So this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll just skip forward and show you the result. Okay, so after about 1 or 2 minutes, you'll see this preview. Actually, it should show you some images, but right now it just loads infinitely. There is no preview at all, but that's okay. And here there are 2 buttons that you can click. There is this edit button to edit document, or you can also click generate to start creating a video based on the settings that you have provided. Now, I do recommend to just click the generate button and it will start creating the video. But if you are interested to change a few things, you can click the edit button and it will open a sort of simple video editor on the browser, and you can change a lot of things, like you can change the avatar, you can select a different template, you can also change the script or the content of the video, you can add some text effect, you can also add some elements like sticker, icons, etc. And of course you can upload your own video or photos into this project. Now I'll just skip that. I'll just click the submit button, and then you can select the name of the file. I guess I'm going to call it just Aptera. The location, resolution, frame rates is gonna be 25, but you can set it up to 60 if you want to get a smooth video. I do recommend to select that option. And the format is MP4. So here you can turn off the watermark if you're using the pro version, but if you don't, then you cannot change the watermark. Now I'm going to click submit. And basically after this, it will prepare the content and it will turn that into a video, and it will take quite some time, usually about 5 to 20 minutes depending on the length of the video. And basically I'll just skip forward again and show you the final result. Okay, so this is the video. I'm going to open it. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, it is not exactly perfect. There is this placeholder. Maybe I should actually edit the video first before rendering it, but again, that's totally okay for now. And yeah, that's basically how it looks like. There are some visual content like this chart that is coming from the document. And yeah, so basically if you want to download this video, you can click the download button right here. And you can click this, or you can also share the video with your friends or colleagues, so they can watch it directly from your HeyGen project. So that's basically how you can convert a PDF document into a presentation video, just like this one using HeyGen AI. Now, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.